Have you ever looked at the sky and wondered what's in there? Planets, stars, galaxies, and probably something larger? But here's something interesting. There's a place just as big and mysterious that we often ignore. It's something inside you, your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams. Today, I want to show you why the most profound discoveries aren't out there in the world, but within ourselves. People often say that the best way to explore life is to travel the world, meet new people, visit different places, try new foods, and experience different cultures. And that's absolutely true. But what we often overlook is that exploring within can be just as powerful. When we look into ourselves, we find different people, different versions of ourselves: the confused one, the growing one, the curious one, the brave one. As children, we explored without fear. We didn't worry about right or wrong. We simply followed our curiosity. We asked endless questions, not to impress anyone, but to understand and discover the world we had just entered. But as we grow older, things begin to change. Exploration is no longer about the world outside us. It slowly becomes a journey within us. As we step into our teenage years, the world suddenly feels wider. New schools, new friends, social media, opinions, trends. We explore our talents, style, and even our future careers. But at the same time, another journey begins, the one within. We start asking, who am I? What do I believe in? What do I really want? We try different versions of ourselves to fit in, stand out, or impress, like wearing masks and hoping that would really feel like our own face. I know this journey matters to me because I was lost behind one of those masks. At that time, I was constantly editing myself, laughing at jokes I didn't find funny, agreeing to opinions that I didn't believe in, and wearing clothes or dressing and speaking in ways that felt impressive but didn't feel authentic. I became quieter about what actually mattered to me and louder about what I thought would make me fit in. One day, a close friend looked at me and said, "You don't seem like you anymore." It wasn't said dramatically, just honestly, but it hit me hard. I had realized I had been shaping myself to expectations instead of my own values. Even though I looked like I was doing everything right, I felt exhausted and disconnected, like I was performing a version of myself that was never truly mine. The moment forced me to pause, look inward, and ask myself why I was afraid to be myself, to be the real Tanvi. That's why inner exploration matters to me, because unfortunately, without it, we risk living a life that looks right on the outside, but painful and disconnected, exhausting from the inside. Exploring the world outside may make us successful, but exploring the world inside us may make us feel confident and fulfilled. Self exploration isn't about having all the answers. It simply means being curious about yourself. Asking small questions like what makes me happy, what drains me, what am I proud of. For me, it began one evening at my study table. I had a lot in my mind, and instead of scrolling or just ignoring it, I took my notebook and started writing. Nothing fancy, just whatever came to my mind. Some days the pages were messy, but the other days just a few lines. But each time I learned something small but really crucial about myself. That notebook became a quiet space where I didn't have to pretend, where I could slowly understand who I was becoming, one page at a time. The longest relationship we'll ever have is with ourselves. Without taking time to understand who we are, we may chase around dreams or goals that were never truly ours. At this juncture in life, a new question appears. What do I want my life to become? Choosing a career isn't about just making a living. It simply means building a life with purpose. Careers may change, but purpose, that stays with us forever. In the end, I'd say that chase behind dreams. Explore the world, meet new people, but don't forget to explore yourself. Because once you understand who you truly are, the goals you make, the dreams you decide, all will become more stronger and clearer. So take time to understand who you are, because unfortunately it shouldn't happen that you at the end of your life you're sitting and grieving about something that you didn't meant for. Thank you.